Have you ever heard about one of those mornings when you sit down to practice Croatian and suddenly it's like your brain has been wiped clean? You know the words because you've said them before. But today, nothing. You look at the screen or your notebook and feel that sinking thought, I have forgotten everything. Today, I want to talk about that moment because it happens to everyone. There is a myth about language learning that progress moves in a straight line. Yeah, it doesn't. No, it moves in circles. It repeats. It goes forward and then backward and then sideways, and that's exactly how it's supposed to be. So the morning when you lose your Croatian is not the morning you failed. It's the morning your brain is reorganizing. So here's what's actually happening. When you learn new patterns, your brain builds connections. But when it rests, it resorts them, deciding what to keep in short-term memory and what to move to long-term memory. And this reorganization can feel like emptiness. But it's not emptiness. It's a specific type of integration. Think of it like cleaning a desk. Everything's on the floor for a while, but only so you can put it back neatly. So when you have one of those days, don't fight it, just shift your focus. Move your body. Go for a walk. Do something physical, repetitive, and simple. That'll tell your brain we're still learning, just differently. Then change the input. Instead of grammar or lists, listen to a song in Croatian. Or watch a short video, something light, emotional, musical. Let the language reach you through the rhythm, not the rules. And above all, be kind to yourself. You're not a robot. You're a human building a second identity, a second way of seeing the world. And some mornings, that identity needs silence. And that's not failure, it's recovery. Because learning a language isn't about constant performance. It's about staying connected even when you feel lost. So when Croatian disappears from your head, don't panic. It hasn't gone anywhere. It's still there. It's just rearranging itself so it can come back stronger. And that's exactly what I help my students understand inside my four-pillar method and my program. That real fluency isn't built through pressure, but through balance. Grammar gives it structure, vocabulary gives it meaning, pronunciation gives it flow, and culture gives it purpose. And all of them need rest sometimes, just like you. So if you'd like to learn how to build confidence not only when things go well, but especially when they don't, have a look at my free masterclass. The link is below this video. I'll show you how every off day is a part of becoming fluent because language isn't a test. It's life. Vidimo se!